Hello friends, welcome back to the third episode of Mastering Excel series. Today I am going to teach you how to vertically align the contents of the cell. My name is Jyoti and my channel's name is FinCoin. Please like this video and also subscribe to my channel to learn more about Excel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon. So friends, let's begin. I want to vertically align the content of the cell B7. I go to the Home section, then I go to Format, then I go to Format Cells. A tab opens up. Then I go to Alignment. You can see horizontal alignment and vertical alignment. I've covered the horizontal alignment in my previous video, so let's go to vertical alignment. When you open the vertical alignment, there you can see multiple options. You can choose any one of these and press the button OK. Another way to vertically align the contents of the cell is available on the ribbon. It is the easiest way. This is the top align, this is the middle align, and this is the bottom align. And above all, if you want to be more effective, you can use the shortcut keys appearing on the screen.